Morning, I am Abhinav. On behalf of all my friends from St. James High School, Bhani, I welcome you all to the Bootcamp Codeva 2021 for a great exposure of AI learning and artificial learning for our bright and prosperous future to be successful professionals in nowadays. It is a great opportunity to participate in Bootcamp and learn different aspects of AI and machine learning and participate in Codeva.
Principal sir and management St. Xavier High School for giving all of us a wonderful opportunity to learn and participate.
Hey, good morning. Learning in the boot camp and block coding with STEMpedia application like PictoBlocks on different fields of machine learning and artificial intelligence will be helping us to create our professional future in and to update ourselves. It will be a great experience for all of us.
Experience we are going to acquire in the bootcamp with STEMpedia application PictoBlocks. My best wishes to all my friends for happy learning.
It's a good opportunity for us to get the skill of 21st century, which is going to help us to integrate with our curriculum for better experiencing of learning and good effort.
Good morning. I am Gungun. Welcome to Bootcamp Co-Editor 2021, St. Xavier High School, Bhani. Feeling very proud to be a part of this event, and it's a great opportunity for me as a participant to get connected with tools and techniques related to STEMpedia. Thank you.
Part of bootcamp and to learn different and to develop skill of 21st century and grown as a professional.
Exciting to learn and acquire new skills through tools and techniques explained in boot camp, and I am very happy to be a part of Codeva 2021. Thank you.
Good morning. We are excited to participate and develop projects to participate in Codeva 2021.
We will start with the working process of this speech recognition. So we need to know about this concept. How does this speech recognition work? So here, what is speech recognition? So first of all, we can just simply say that we can define what is speech recognition in terms that it is the ability of machine to identify different words and phrases in different languages. It doesn't matter if I use English, Hindi, or any other language. It will recognize according to the predefined language. Suppose I am asking something in what is the time. So that is the English language. So it will identify each different word with help of each different word. It will be able to understand the entire sentence. After that, it will convert that entire sentence into machine readable format, because our machine, suppose our computer or we can say Alexa, those are the machines, they cannot understand the direct language. Like if I ask what is the time, that is the language I use to communicate. It is English, right? For example, we are using English language right now to communicate with each other for the session, right? Similarly, machines is their own language, so we have to convert them into machine readable format so machine can understand our question or our command, right? So the speech recognition, it is just the ability of machine to identify each different word. So with help of each different word, it will be able to recognize and identify the entire sentence. After recognizing that sentence, it will convert that entire sentence into machine readable format. And now, how does it work? So, of course, we are clear about what is speech recognition, but how does it work with our system? So it is, we can say it is very complex, and there are lots of mathematical equations are involved in this entire process. But for us, it is really very simple with help of PictoBlocks. So let's just discuss how does it work. So first of all, whatever the command we are giving to our system, like Alexa or Google Assistant or any other specific device, it is gonna record that entire command in it. For example, if I ask any command to the Alexa is gonna record the entire sentence. After recording that entire sentence, it will break down the whole sentence into different words. So let me just give you an example. If I ask, how are you, right? So Alexa will break that entire sentence into different words, like how are you. Then after breaking down the entire sentence into different words, it will match each exact entire sentence with different words with word database of English language. If I ask in Hindi, then it will match that exact word with Hindi and identify each different word. It will be able to convince, it will be able to get the correct answer of that question. Once it gets the answer, it is in text-based format. then convert text-based format into voice-based response. So this is simple process. Again, let me just explain. Alexa will be able to identify that equals not a command, it is a question for me. And what is the type? So it means it will be able to identify that user is asking for the type, right? Then it will get that result. It will match the sentence structures with the word database first to identify those words. Then it gets the correct answer from the internet. Then it speak back to us, right, with voice responses. That is the simple process, and we will follow the same process with our PictoBlox today. So our activity is voice speech recognition only, and this is a simple graph of process. Like first, when we are speaking, Alexa going to listen to us, so it will come on the microphone. And if you have an Alexa or any other specific Google Assistant or anything, you can see there are multiple mic on those devices with different words. So that is processing. After getting the correct result, it will convert text-based result into speech-based or voice-based responses. So that is it, and it's back to us. So this is a simple process of any specific device, like if we are talking about Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, Cortana, Bixby, or any other device. So here, this is our activity. We can say we are going to make our own Alexa, not exactly the Alexa device only, as it is a hardware device, but we will discuss about the script. We will prepare our own script. So if I ask my system to play specific song, system will be able to play that, and in the first session we discussed about the facial detection. Now we will be using multiple extensions. First is artificial intelligence for the voice recognition, and another one is text to speech, so we can convert those text-based answer into voice-based answers. Okay. Now here, as you all are aware, we have to just configure the camera first, but this time we don't need to configure the camera. Why? Because we are not going to recognize anything from the camera, but yes, we need to configure the microphone web camera, and my system has another inbuilt. And when I just start speaking, it is able to recognize the voice in this microphone system. So PictoBlox is able to connect to this microphone, and microphone is working perfectly fine. So you can just verify with the, if it is not working, if it is straight, it means your microphone is not working properly. Try with another microphone. Okay. So right now I can say it is working absolutely fine. So we can move further. I don't need to configure camera anymore, as we are just using micro, log in and be signing into PictoBlox, or else you can also just, if you are not registered with PictoBlox, you can complete your registration and you will get 1000 credit for free in your account. So I've already mentioned about the credit as well, but most important thing, you can get 5K credit for free with the code 20CODE2024. We will share this code with your teacher, so I will distribute, we will share with you all, right? Now let's continue with our activity. As I'm going to add the first extension, it is artificial intelligence. First extension in the second row. Now here, as you all are aware, we have to just configure the camera first, but this time we don't need to configure the camera. Why? Because we are not going to recognize anything from the camera, but yes, we need to configure the microphone web camera, and my system has another inbuilt. And when I just start speaking, it is able to recognize the voice in this microphone system. So PictoBlox is able to connect to this microphone, and microphone is working perfectly fine. So you can just verify with the, if it is not working, if it is straight, it means your microphone is not working properly. Try with another microphone. Okay. So right now I can say it is working absolutely fine. So we can move further. I don't need to configure camera anymore, as we are just using microphone for this.